What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Haley Cairo if you guys are new, and if you are a returning subscriber, I'm so glad you guys are back for another video. Today we are doing the high school survival guide and kit giveaway. I'm so excited to be sharing these items with you. I've added some new ones that are different than the previous years. These are very similar across the board from high school, college, and middle school. Totally said that in the wrong order, but you get what I'm saying. If you guys are not subscribed to my channel, go ahead, click that subscribe button and turn on the notifications and follow along on social and my newsletter, because that's how we're gonna be doing the giveaway this year. If you are entered in the giveaway, you will get told via newsletter. And I would love to have you guys in this community so we can all just share tips and wellness tricks with each other. And we're gonna do this in classic back to school fashion. So we're gonna do an overhead shot, show you guys the cute little survival kit bag I got you and all of the fun contents inside. I do want to disclaim some of the things I will not be able to actually give to you guys because I am not allowed to give you medicine. So therefore Advil is something I think you guys should maybe carry with you, although I can't legally give it to you. The first thing that I think should be in every single kit, if I had only one thing that I could put in this kit for you guys, it would be, I literally can't pick. I think there's probably two things. It would be gum or mints and then feminine products. If you're a dude and you're watching this video, then the feminine products totally do not relate. You don't need them. So I would say if you're a dude, your second item would probably be a pencil because boys were always asking me for extra pencils. Take that back. I think the most important thing would be, aside from the gums and the mints, would be deodorant. I can remember 3 times where I forgot deodorant the first thing in the morning, or I went to gym class and then forgot to pack deodorant, or I didn't have one in my gym bag and then I didn't have it for the rest of the day, and that was horrible. And you definitely don't want to be that person who's asking for deodorant. However, I found a really great trick, not only for you guys but for your friends. Get the spray deodorant. Well, don't get the spray. Well, yeah, get the spray deodorant, but I'm giving you guys the Dove Spray Antiperspirants travel size because it's, you know, travel friendly. It's amazing. I actually used the cucumber melon one in middle school before they came out with the spray. The spray is awesome. It's super easy to use, and then if you need to, it's more hygienic to share with your friends. I always think hand sanitizer is a great one because you don't want to be getting sick throughout the school year, and staying as hygienic and antibacterial as possible is going to help you guys out. So I threw in a little hand sanitizer, also a good thing to share. Now, we were not allowed to chew gum at school, but I can't even lie, we totally snuck gum. But other things you can use are the little like mints or Listerine tabs, so I included some of my favorites for you. Similar to deodorant, you can never go wrong with a body spray, and I think roller balls are great, but you don't get that full coverage that you do with a spray, and sometimes body sprays are just too big to fit into your bag. So Scentbird is my favorite for travel fragrances. This is not sponsored by Scentbird. I just happen to really love their products, and I am going to be giving you guys some of my favorite scents, and I think you're gonna love it. Definitely throwing in some femme care for you because I know what it's like to unexpectedly get your period in class, and we wore khaki skirts, so you can just paint the picture. It was really red. And most embarrassing things in school after lunch or after snack, and your friend's like, I hate it. It's even worse if it's a boy. So I put in some of those little like flossy things for you guys because they're just good to have. Plus, you can be that friend that's like, you don't even have to tell them that it's there. You can just be like, I always took a snack to school when I was doing my health and fitness stuff, like full force, like it was the beginning of my journey, if you will. I would cut up veggies and have hard-boiled eggs and things like that, but sometimes it's just not as convenient. It's not as, what's the word? You need a cooler, okay? You need something to keep it fresh. So protein bar is a great way to go. You guys can do all kinds of different protein bars. I'm gonna have some of my favorites for you included, and they're really small, so you can just kind of like fit them in your bag and it's no problem. Next, I think it is always really good to have a chapstick with you, especially those fall and winter months when you're sitting in your cold classroom and your lips get chapped. Plus, it's just like something to do. It's like in class, you're like, I'm kind of bored, so I'm gonna take out my chapstick. Thumbs up if you did that. This next one is kind of a personal preference. I know not everyone's a big hand lotion person, but my hands do get super dry. My knuckles get really dry in the wintertime, and I always carried tiny little hand lotion packets with me, or not packets, but tubes, and it was always a lifesaver. So it was also something else to do in class. You know, you sit there and you're like, I'm listening. Now, if you have gym class or sports, I always think it's pretty handy to have hair ties, headbands, because you never know what you're gonna need when you're out on the field. You can also do a little bit of sunscreen to just protect your skin during the warmer months, or if you live in a climate that stays warm and sunny all year round. I think it's also really helpful to have a little comb or a brush. I'm gonna share a couple more extras with you guys, and then we will wrap up the video and share the information for how you can win this giveaway. A few extra goodies for high school that I find to be super essential would be dry shampoo in between gym class or practice. If you have early morning practice, this is a lifesaver. Also, you never know when you're gonna get something on your clothing, so these individual wipe and go shouts are perfect for life-saving situations. Now, the reason these are pictures is because they didn't come in time for the video, but I got you guys some really cool lanyards and thread wallets because they're so great for carrying your car keys, because I know when you turn 16 and you guys are driving, you're gonna wanna have everything in one space, and because you can wear this around your neck, you're not gonna lose it. You can also attach it to your book bag, and everything is just right there. Let me know if I missed anything, if there's something in particular that you guys like to carry in middle school. You can also totally chime in if you're in high school or college or you're out of school. I'm gonna be posting 3 more videos for these survival kits for high school, college, and moms is on the fence. Not sure if we're posting that one yet or not. But to enter the giveaway, you have to be a subscriber with the notifications on and following me on Instagram, and follow along on the newsletter because I will be announcing the giveaway winners there. I also just wanted to mention that if you guys are struggling with figuring out how to balance your health for school, going back into school can be kind of difficult for balancing a healthy routine. If you guys maybe got into one during the summer, I have an ebook all on balancing health and wellness as a student. You guys can check out my ebooks on mainmovement.com. I also have a free tracking guide for you guys if you are interested in learning how to track your macros, so definitely check out my ebooks and free guides down below. I'm so excited for the rest of this back to school series, and I hope you guys are doing well, enjoying the rest of your summer, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.